Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we are diving into the world of spring makeup trends, but with a twist. It's time to shake things up and bring some fresh air to your look. You know those bold, maximalist makeup looks that have been trending? Well, guess what? The beauty community is now embracing more wearable, everyday versions of these trends. And I'm here to give you the inside scoop. First up, let's talk about blue eyeshadow. Yes, you heard me right. Blue eyeshadow is making a comeback, but with a modern twist. Makeup legend Lisa Eldridge, who's worked with icons like Alexa Chung and Kate Winslet, points out that blue has been a timeless color choice throughout makeup history. From Elizabeth Taylor's iconic Cleopatra look to Kate Moss's icy blue moment at Gucci, blue eyeshadow has left its mark. But here's the twist, it's all about finding your perfect shade of blue. Whether it's a vibrant royal blue, or a subtle icy hue, choose the shade that brings you joy. And application is key. A small brush for blending and a touch of mascara, for natural definition, will make your blue eyeshadow look effortlessly chic. Now, let's move on to a trend that's all about subtlety and glow. Muted blush is taking center stage this season. It's all about a soft, diffused look that blends seamlessly from your cheeks to your temples. Lisa Eldridge pairs this trend with a luminous base and matching eyes and lips for a monochromatic, radiant finish. But here's my take. This trend is not just about the color, it's about embracing the art of draping. It's a technique that allows you to sculpt and enhance your features with blush, creating a natural, healthy glow. What many people don't realize is that blush can be a powerful tool to express your mood and personality. So, experiment with different shades and techniques to find your unique blush signature. Lastly, let's talk about a trend that's all about blurring the lines, literally. The blurred lip trend has been making waves, and it's time to give it a spring twist. Makeup artist Nina Park has popularized this technique, and it's been seen on celebrities like Lily Rose Depp and Zoe Kravitz. This spring, go for a buffed red lip. Start by lining your lips, then gently buff and blend for a soft, diffused effect. This technique adds a touch of playfulness and youthfulness to your look. Personally, I think it's a fun way to experiment with color without feeling too bold. What makes these trends so exciting is that they are all about finding your unique style. It's not about following a strict rule book, it's about adapting these trends to suit your personality and preferences. Makeup is an art form, and these trends encourage us to explore and express ourselves. So, don't be afraid to experiment, play with colors, and find your own twist on these looks. Embrace the beauty community's shift towards wearable trends and make them your own. Remember, beauty is all about self-expression and having fun. So, go ahead, try these trends, and let your creativity shine. Stay tuned for more makeup adventures, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more beauty insights. See you in my next video.